Hey, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon for get more videos about this. Hey guys, welcome to How-to-ans. Today we are going to letting you know that how you can disable anyone, how you can stop anyone from messaging in your WhatsApp group. Yes, we are going to telling you that if you have created any group and you bothered about good morning and good evening wishes, you want to stop all the participants of the group from messaging in your group, then you can enable a setting. First of all, if you have not updated your WhatsApp, then go to Google Play Store and update your WhatsApp. After that, open that WhatsApp and open your group which has been created by you as showing on your screen. I have created this group and I want to that anybody not able to message in this group. Then you have to just tap on three dots of right hand side upper side, click on that and go to group information. When you click on group info, you will see these type of option. From these options you have to just choose group settings. When you click on group settings, you will see first of all edit group info. After that you will find send messages. Under the send message you will see that all participants is a option. Now you have to click on send messages. When you click on send message, you will see a option that only admins or all participants. When you choose only admins, then only admin persons are able to message in this group and anybody other can't message in this group. So make it okay, and after that settings will be saved. Send messages only admins. Now nobody can send any message in your WhatsApp group. Hope you understand that how you can stop anybody from messaging. Hey, hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. Share this video with Facebook, WhatsApp and so on, and subscribe our channel and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep sharing, keep loving.